Hello, beautiful souls. Now I am going to read today's message. I have written today's message and I am going to read it. So let's see what is there in the message today. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to the Gentle Oracle. If this video has found you today, trust that there is a message here meant for your heart. You were guided here for a reason, and your intuition has brought you into this moment of clarity and calm. This is a space of gentle spiritual guidance created to support your journey with the softness and truth. Take a slow, deep breath with me. Take a slow, deep breath with me. Let your shoulder relax. Let your mind quiet. Let your heart open. You are safe here. You are seen. You are supported. This moment is for you. A moment to receive, to realign, and to reconnect with your inner wisdom. The energy coming through today feels soft yet powerful. Someone watching this has been sensing a shift, a quiet pull towards something new, something aligned, something meant for them. Your guides want you to know that you are not imagining this. You are stepping into a chapter where clarity replaces confusion, where love replaces fear, and where alignment replaces uncertainty. This is a time of inner transformations. I am sensing that you have been carrying something heavy on your heart, a longing, a question, or a hope you haven't spoken aloud. Your guides want you to know that you are supported, protected, and being gently guided toward your highest path. Even if you can't see the full picture yet, the universe is already rearranging things in your favor. For those thinking about a specific person, a connection between you and this soul is still active, still felt, still evolving. Even if there has been silence or distance, the energetic bond remains. Your guides want you to trust the timing, trust the unfolding, and trust the lessons this connection is bringing into your life. This is a part of your soul alignment. For, for others, this message is about manifestation, something you have been calling in love, abundance, clarity, healing is getting closer. Your energy is shifting, your frequency is rising, and the universe is responding. You are moving into a phase of manifestation, alignment. You are moving into a phase of manifestation alignment where your intentions begin to take form. Your guides want you to remember this. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. Everything meant for you is already on its way. Trust the process, trust your intuition, trust yourself. You are exactly where you need to be. If this message resonates with you, I invite you to stay connected by subscribing to the Gentle Oracle. This space is This space is here to support your journey with intuitive readings, spiritual insights, and manifestation guidance. Thank you for being here, for trusting your intuition, and for allowing me to be a small part of your path. Sending you love, protection, and gentle blessings. Thank you. So, as we see, there are many type of messages. First one is about a specific person. You might be thinking about a specific person. A connection between you and this soul is still active, still felt. You feel the connection, and the other person also feel the connection. Still evolving. It has not stopped. It has not stagnant. It is still evolving and growing. This connection is still strong and getting stronger by moments. Even if there has been silence and distance, even if you both people are silent, barely talk, or you are distant from each other, the connection is still growing, evolving, and other person also feels that connection, and the connection is active. The energetic bond remains. The energy between you and the other person is still in the same dimension, still hovering in the same that dimension, and everything is working. So have faith in universal energy. Your guides want you to trust the timing. Your guides, the universe wants you to trust the timing. It will happen, but on the at the divine time. Trust the unfolding and trust the lessons this connection is bringing into your life. So you should have faith in this connection. You should, because faith is the belief is what keeps us to the other side. Faith is it is the faith that keeps us to the other side. This is part of your soul alignment. Your soul is aligning with their soul. For other people, this message is about manifestation. Today we have I also uploaded a video in which the card, when I shuffled the card, the manifestation card came out. So today something you have been calling in, you have been longing for something, either it is love, abundance, clarity, or healing. You have been carrying this on your heart, is getting closer. Because this manifestation is active and getting closer day by day. This manifestation is going to take form. Your energy is shifting, your frequency is rising. You are you are now running on higher frequency because you are aligning with the manifestation of your wishes, your dreams, your goals, desires. Either it is about love, abundance, clarity, or healing. And the universe is responding. The whole universe is working toward achieving that goal. You are moving into a phase of manifestation alignment. You are in a phase of manifestation alignment where your intentions begin to take form. Your intentions, whatever you intend, those things are beginning to form, beginning to take form. Your guides want you to remember this. You are not behind, you are not forgotten, and you are not alone. Everything meant for you is already on its way. Trust the process, trust the intuition, trust yourself. You are exactly where you need to be. You don't need to rush. You don't need to force. If you are not forcing anything, you are attracting the positivity, love, abundance, clarity, answers for your long standing questions, and we have and for those people who are carrying something on their heart, either it is for longing, a question, or a hope you haven't spoken loud, your guides want you to know that you are supported, protected, and being gently guided. You are being gently guided toward your highest path, toward your highest path. So you are guided, you are in the right direction, you don't need to worry. Everything is aligning for the universal good, and in the universal good is our good. So thank you for this reading. Now I want you to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel and stay connected with me. I will be posting daily readings. Thank you. Thank you for being with me today. Thank you very much.